emerging as a trusted global defense partner. Second, Prahlad Joshi sir has taken charge as the Union Education Minister. Third, India marks Kargil Vijay Divas remembering the bravery and sacrifice of the Kargil heroes. Fourth, wildfires and extreme weather conditions have made headlines in parts of Europe and Asia. Fifth, Gen Z-led youth protests in India have gained international attention, with young people demanding reforms and greater accountability in the education system. Thank you and have a nice day.
Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. I repeat my thought. Dream is not that which you see while sleeping. It is something that does not let you sleep. Thank you and have a nice day.
My potential inside. Today I bless with all my might. I shall give you my potential inside.
And all in us are my brothers and sisters. Hello, my country. And I am proud of it. Each and my heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give my parents, teachers, and all others respect and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I tell my roses, India's well-being and society, alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
Respected Principal Ma'am, respected Jeva Ma'am, respected teachers, and all my dear friends. This is me, Ashik Mondal, reporting you with some interesting headlines of the MLZS family, which would make you aware of the various activities held in this month. So, the month started with the elections and different activities. So, first of all, Young Minds, Great Leaders. MLZS Barh School Council elections of 2026 celebrated leadership, teamwork, and confidence. Alchemist Club creates the future by encouraging innovation, while Sanskriti Club brings India's diversity to life. Honoring the heroes of Kargil Vijay Divas, MLZS Barh pays tribute to the brave heart Safeguard Nation. Now moving forward to the arrangements. Beat the heat, not the thirst. Our new water chiller is here. Hydration just got an update. Next we have sports. Young football stars display teamwork, coordination, and sportsmanship at Supreme Cup football tournament under 17. Now moving ahead with the competitions and countdowns. Young diplomats take the stage at IIMN, inspires leadership, critical thinking, and global awareness through powerful debates. And lastly, we have the Green School campaign encourages students to nurture nature and build a sustainable future. Newsroom keeps an eye on each and every activity. Further, once more, this was me, Ashik Mondal, signing off for today. We'll be updating you with some more interesting headlines next month. Thank you and have a nice day.
I'm also fine, thank you very much. So today I'm here to represent Zeal Unlimited, and I'm very happy to see all of you standing in front of me. And I have seen the assembly; it was very, very nice. And the students who participated in the assembly, who are in the assembly group, they all have done their work very, very nicely. Like they spoke very well. And I must appreciate the team, and I must appreciate even the